Why is the JWT signature critical for security? Imagine sending a letter with a wax seal that only the recipient can break. Without that seal, anyone could tamper with the letter, changing what it says. That's similar to what a JSON Web Token signature does in digital security. When you implement JSON Web Tokens for authentication and authorization, the signature is like that wax seal. It keeps the information inside safe from being altered. The signature is created when the token is made. It combines the header and payload, then signs them using a secret key or a private key. This process produces a unique signature that acts as a proof of authenticity. If someone tries to change the token, the signature no longer matches, and the server knows it's been tampered with. This is why the signature is so important. It verifies that the data inside the token is exactly what the issuer intended. Another key point is that the signature confirms who issued the token. The issuer uses a secret key or a private key to create the signature. When the server receives the token, it uses the corresponding secret or public key to verify the signature. If the verification passes, the server trusts that the token was created by a trusted source. This prevents attackers from creating fake tokens that could grant unauthorized access. The signature also makes it possible for servers to use stateless authentication. Since the token contains all the necessary information and the signature guarantees its validity, servers don't need to store session data. This makes systems easier to scale and manage, especially when working with multiple servers or services. Claims inside the token, like user roles or permissions, are often used to control access. Without a valid signature, an attacker could modify these claims to gain more privileges. The signature ensures that any changes are detected and rejected, keeping your system secure. Protecting the signing key is vital. If the key leaks, attackers can generate valid tokens and bypass security measures. That's why keeping the key confidential and secure is a top priority in implementing JWTs. It's also important to remember that the signature does not encrypt the token's contents. The payload is visible in plain text, so sensitive data should be encrypted separately if needed. The signature only guarantees that the data has not been changed. In real-world backend development, always verify the JWT signature before trusting any token data. Use reliable libraries that check the signature against your secret or public key. This step is essential for keeping your authentication and authorization processes safe. To sum up, the JWT signature acts as the backbone of token security. It prevents tampering, confirms who issued the token, and supports scalable, stateless authentication systems. Without it, the entire trustworthiness of your tokens falls apart, leaving your system vulnerable to attacks.